up, Q-tubers? On today's video, we're going to be knocking out smoked mac and cheese. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because today we're knocking out smoked mac and cheese. So this recipe is actually Wes's recipe. We was talking about it yesterday, and I was just wanting to knock out a super simple one. He tells me that this recipe they make all the time and is super awesome. And I was like, heck yeah, man, let's just do it. So we're just going to jump right in. We've got 36 ounces of Shells pasta. Yeah, yep. Shell pasta here that he went on ahead and pre-cooked. So we're just going to jump right on in and get into it. We're going to put in one stick, the whole bag of Philadelphia cream cheese. Now this has been left out for a little while, so you know, to soften it up. You know, as a kid, I didn't even like cream cheese. What is that bagel store? No, Einstein's. That place is unbelievable. I always stop at that. The only one I've been to is the one in the airport. 3 pats of butter, 4 of Kerrygold. I think that's the only butter. Get all this cheese melted. All this goodness. This is going to be the cheesiest crap too. So let's just keep going. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 2. How much paprika? A teaspoon? And we're going to throw in some SPG. Right there. And it is 16 ounces of Sharp Cheddar. Is this all going to fit in here? Oh, this is Monterey Jack, yeah. We may have to go to a different pan, that's okay. Cheddar cheese. Yeah! It's going to be good. This is how I love mac and cheese. Just cheesy, gooey. 2 cans of evaporated milk, and don't worry, the recipe's all going to be down below. We're going to mix it up with some bacon too. This is about 3 ounces of bacon bits, just in a bottle. Make your own if you like. And we have some milk, and we have a little bit of the pasta water just in case. But we're going to get this all mixed up, get it divided up into these pans. Let's get it down and get it on a smoker. Maybe we can send one of the boys for some breadcrumbs.
We'll finish it with that, huh?
Some Italian breadcrumbs. Italian would be, hey, go get me some freaking breadcrumbs. All right, so we're going to get this taken outside, get it put on the smoker. So come on, let's go. All right, so we got our cooker running at 300. We're going to put it over here on the stack end so it just gets all that good smoke. Not so much of the direct heat, but the good smoke. We're going to let it sit about 15 minutes, give it a stir, and get the cheesy just freaking gooey. And then once we're almost there, we're going to cover it. We're going to send somebody to the store because that guy forgot the Panko breadcrumbs. And then we'll put them on top, toast them up.
I choose to remain anonymous.
Sorry, bro. Sorry to throw you on the bus like that.
Yeah, it hurts. It's warm under
no,
here.
You got everything
no,
else,
it's
man.
Fine. Cold.
Hey, that's why we have the list.
Yeah. What time did you get here? Tell everybody.
I already did. If they're following me on Instagram, they know exactly what time I got here. They know exactly what's going on.
Tell them what
today.
day it is. Confess.
It is the Thursday,
the 9th of May. And you came to work at 11. I've been out here since
10:51.
I've been out here freezing my berries off, getting your smoker running.
10:51, bro.
Listen, it's not glamorous, but somebody has to do it.
All right, so it's been right at about 15 minutes. Oh, look at that dude. Woo-wee. Look at this cheesy goodness. Now, I don't like mine too smoky, so I'm not going to leave it on here that long. All All right, we're gonna let it heat up a little bit more. We're gonna put the lid on it, give it a quick little steam to get everything just gooey. Throw some breadcrumbs on it, torch them, then we're gonna eat. All right, so it's been about another 15 minutes, and one thing I just realized I left out of this recipe is the freaking milk. So we're gonna add the milk, and we're gonna also add a 1/4 cup of the pasta water. 1, 2. It's starting to get a little thick, and I was like, man, what the heck? Wes was like, you put the milk in? I was like, condensed milk, better late than never. Like I said, we're not perfect around here, but we'll get you the recipe. It'll be all down below. And while you're looking at my down below, go ahead and leave a comment. What kind of noodles do you like best in your mac and cheese? Your smoked mac and cheese? Or just leave a comment. Say, hey man, Cosmo, your stuff sucks. I know how to cook mac and cheese better than you. And then I'll get on there and I'll be like, no you don't. I was a 1972 world champion mac and cheese cooker, which is a lie.
How old are you in 1972?
I was like 12 days old. Dude, this looks good. Get in here, man. Get in there. Show them the goodness. What I'm saying, that's what I'm telling you. Brand can go back and change the past for the future. Hodor didn't know to hold the door when he was a kid. He only knew it because Bran went back and connected him to the future.
Oh, yeah.
That's why he said it when he was young and passed out. I care more about the dragons than I do people.
You sick bastard.
Hey,
take it back.
it's a dragon, man. All right, so it's been right at about an hour and 10 minutes. This stuff is looking amazing, tasting amazing. We're gonna get some Panko Italian style breadcrumbs put on here and toast it up. And then we always gotta use our kitchen torch. These are, don't try this at home. This is how the wild ones would do it. All right, so we're ready to dig into this thing. It smells freaking amazing. It's May, it's freezing outside in Oklahoma. So what better food for lunch than smoked mac and cheese? I wish we had some brisket. Let's just jump right in. Ooh, that panko. The breadcrumbs set it off. A little bit of, you can see that? A little bit of bacon. This is awesome. You want to taste it?
Yeah, I want to taste it.
Come on, man. Give it to us, Wes. Dude, is that not crazy? If you don't try this mac and cheese right there, that one right there.
No, you really can. All the Monterey Jack, cheddar.
Go down below.
We want to thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. We'll catch you on the next video.